Hello, welcome to Play With Me. Today we'll be playing with the Play-Doh Make Your Own Hamburger McDonald's toy. So in this demo we'll be showing you how to use these tools to make this lovely Play-Doh meal. So as you see, we have everything we need here. Burger maker, fry strainer, pickles, really anything you could possibly want on your burger is included in this Play-Doh kit. So let's start with making our bread. So for the next portion of our burger making, we need the patty. Of course, we're also going to want some lettuce and tomato and cheese with this burger, otherwise it wouldn't be a real Mickey D's hamburger, huh? So let's start with the onion. Oh, nope, that is tomato. The other one was lettuce, my bad. So we're going to start with the lettuce here. And then lettuce garnish. Let's get it into a ball shape to mush. And here we go. Oh yeah. Nice and lettucey. Looks delicious. So for our tomato, gonna push there and there. Oh yeah. So you peel it and it looks like a real tomato. How about that? Wow. So we have our complete burger ready to go. So let's get working on our sides of fries. So we have this cool French fry strainer. After we have the Play-Doh ready to go, we'll see how this works. Oh my god, this is so cool. So we're gonna put it in here and then pull the lever backwards to force it out, but let's make sure we have it in nice and tight. So push. Oh yeah, there's the fries. Looks yummy. Too curly though, so you gotta, yeah, do that. And we're gonna cut them. Boop, boop. So we have perfect fries and some more on the way. We have a real Happy Meal. The burger even looks happy. So what else can we make here? celery. As you can see, like I'm experimenting here, you can make all kinds of things with this Play-Doh. Ah, the cheese. I guess, what is that, mustard on the side? So our burger is now complete. Turned out great, I think. A complete meal. It looks delicious. Bun, patty, condiments, cheese, tomato, lettuce. What else could you want?